Ever wondered if you can ditch your cards and pay with cold, hard cash on Grabpay? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Grabpay, a popular digital wallet, has revolutionized the way we pay. But, can it really handle the classic cash transaction? It's a question that's popped up in many minds, especially for those who prefer the tangible feel of money. No, you can't currently pay with cash on Grabpay. Grabpay primarily operates as a digital payment platform, relying on digital funds to process transactions. This means that to use Grabpay, you'll need to link a credit or debit card or top up your Grabpay wallet with digital funds. Why digital only? You might wonder why Grabpay hasn't embraced cash payments. Well, there are a few reasons for this. Efficiency and speed. Digital transactions are faster and more efficient than cash. They eliminate the need for physical handling of money, reducing the risk of errors and delays. Security. Digital payments are generally more secure than cash. They often involve additional security measures like PINs and biometric authentication. Traceability. Digital transactions are easier to track, which can be beneficial for both consumers and businesses. It helps in case of disputes or for tax purposes. Expanding digital economy. By promoting digital payments, Grabpay is contributing to the growth of the digital economy, making it more accessible and convenient for everyone. Exploring alternatives. While you can't pay with cash on Grabpay directly, there are a few alternatives to consider. Top up with digital funds. You can top up your Grabpay wallet using online banking or other digital payment methods. Link a credit or debit card. By linking a card, you can make payments directly from your bank account. Use other payment methods. If you prefer cash, you can explore other payment methods offered by the merchant, such as cash on delivery or traditional payment methods. While Grabpay is a fantastic tool for digital payments, it doesn't currently support cash transactions. However, by understanding the reasons behind this and exploring the available alternatives, you can still enjoy the convenience of Grabpay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.